This is becoming a real breeding ground here.
I'm just waiting for someone to walk by and disband the whole party.
Oh, you know what? It's probably because the rain stopped.
Hmm.
Look, this guy's he's hustling.
This dog does not care.
He wants them.
Wow. That's a male, sir.
Huh.
Isn't that? Or is it a female?
I thought that was a male.
Huh. Maybe it's a female.
Maybe he can't tell, or maybe he's gay.
Wow, he's really hustling now.
Yeah, that one's a male. Hi.
No, it's a female.
Really?
I don't know. You would know better than I do, but it looks a little too small.
Are the males bigger?
I thought the males were bigger.
I thought they just puff up.
You think it's a male? I trust his judgment.
Okay, that's true.
Also, the coloration's different. I mean, he's darker, but...
Wait, how can they tell? It must be a body language thing.
Wait, how did the duck get water on its back?
It was raining.
Oh, is it just now glistening because of the sun? I
Yeah.
see. This duck does not get water.
Yeah, I think you're right. This guy's probably straight.
With the energy I get, yeah.
Or bi. I don't know. Do pigeons bi? I mean, dogs certainly do.
Dogs do?
Yeah, like male
right,
dogs will
right.
totally hump anything.
Yeah.
What a funny sound.
Ducks in the water.
Oh shit.
Dude, this guy's so menacing. He's ruining the whole feeding ground.
Oh my god, he's cornering her. Against the riverbank.
Where's our duck guy going?
Or edging, not cornering.
Cute. Is he trying to eat that slime? Oh, he's got slicked back hair. Look how smooth his head is.
Dude, this is a handsome duck.
That's a handsome duck.
The pigeon could take a few pointers.
I want to see that blue patch. Yeah. Blue patch.
Wow, he's persistent.
He took a little dip and now he's back for more, I guess. I think it's like he uses the moss in the water as like an aperitif or something.
This is a thirsty duck.
They must have quite powerful kidneys, right? Because they need to consume a lot of water when they eat. But maybe they just don't drink besides that.
Hell if I know.